Yes! So this is the exterior, and yeah, this has a V8 optic pack. Really like how this looks. So this is brilliant blue Magno paint, and in this fog, how amazing does this look? I'm literally speechless. But yeah, I need to speak because I'm filming. But yeah, how cool is this? So this is really elegant because it doesn't have a night package and beige interior. So from the rear you have a retractable wing. You can get a fixed wing with the aerodynamic package and also separately. So I would maybe go for the fixed wing. I'm not 100% sure, but maybe yes. So this is really insane how this looks, and you can get this car for a price of like a C63S, more or less. So how cool is it and how cold it is outside? So I need to go to film inside, but yeah, how great is this, guys? And the sound, listen to this. Guys, this is like a four-seater car. So really a great family car. So before the drive, I was like, yeah, I would for sure get the C63S. But now after 30 minutes of driving, you check out that interior. After 30 minutes of driving, I'm like, I don't know, because I really like the V8, but this is amazing car. It's large, it's beautiful, and yeah, it's stunning. You don't lose like that much power, and you can put the power down thanks to the 4MATIC Plus. Like always, not like maybe sometimes, like with the rear-wheel drive. So, and this has the exclusive package for the interior. So how amazing is this? Okay, so back inside. Actually, no, I want to show you the engine, and then we can go inside. So this is the beast. 3.0 liter 6-cylinder inline, and you have also the EQ boost, which is here between the engine and the transmission, and this gives you additional Newton meters, and also it's the powertrain has a quicker response basically. So yeah, carbon inside of the headlights. I mean, how cool is this? Turbo 4MATIC Plus, standard brakes, but you can get the ceramic if you want for additional price. And I want to show you the lights, how they look. So these are the multi-beams. Really something exceptional how they cut the light. You can see it now. Like what? Is this real? You can see cutting through the fog, very thick fog. There is a one person, but I cannot even see which car he draws so much. And someone is cutting trees. So yeah, I should head back into the car. So good. Alright guys, so welcome to the video. So this is Mercedes AMG 2020 GT43, and we can turn on the exhaust in the comfort mode. I was thinking a lot, what is the ideal, the most versatile AMG, and I think I found the answer. This is so good, I can't believe this. Because I drove also the 63S version of the same exact car like here, but this is also enjoyable, and it's so much lower the price, like 35,000 euros. I will check on the configurator. I think even more. I think the 63S starts like 160,000 euro, and this starts like 105,000. So really like 50,000 euro or 60 even difference. That's like 70,000 US dollars. So huge difference. You can get like A45S with this car. You can have two cars for the price of one GT63S. Basically, that's the difference. Maybe you can pay a little bit more. Depends on the options which you get, of course. But the difference between the base price is like 50,000 euro. So really a lot. So these are country roads in Slovakia. One section. I don't even want to drive this in comfort, and that's because I just started to drive this. But yeah, this car can be so great, and the consumption could be lower. Okay. Oh, wow. So good. Can't believe this. I mean, this car doesn't have any problems whatsoever with the dynamics. fog. Wow, how cool is this? I can see good, don't worry. Check the consumption, 13 liters only. With the 63 as I would have here like 30. Wow. And you can see which wheel is using how much. Really okay. Now it's thicker, the fog, but this is really amazing. I don't think you would be disappointed with this engine, no way. Okay, now it's really thick.
Prišli ste do vášho cieľa.
Áno, prišiel som. Make a few pictures here.